Dive deep into Dive Deep, Unraveling Idiomatic Expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations or seen in writing. It's the phrase, dive deep. Have you ever wondered what it means to dive deep into something that isn't water? Well, in this video, we'll break it down for you. We'll look at the literal meaning, the figurative usage, and give you some examples of how to use it in your everyday English. Let's get started. When we talk about diving deep, in the most basic sense, we imagine someone submerging themselves deep into water. Divers dive deep into the sea to explore, to find something, or to simply experience the depth of the ocean. This literal action requires skill, effort, and concentration. It's not just a physical act. It's also about the commitment to go beyond the surface. Moving on to the figurative meaning, dive deep is a metaphor used to describe a thorough and intense exploration into a subject or an issue. When someone says they are diving deep into a topic, they mean they are learning about it as completely and deeply as possible. They're not satisfied with a basic understanding. They want to explore every aspect of it. Let's put dive deep into action. Here are a few examples. 1. The researcher dove deep into the study, spending years collecting data. 2. If you really want to understand the philosophy behind the play, you need to dive deep into the playwright's history. 3. She's diving deep into her family's genealogy to uncover her roots. In these sentences, dive deep adds a layer of depth and seriousness to the pursuit of knowledge. So, how can you start using dive deep in your language? Here are some tips. Use it when discussing topics that require in-depth study or thought. Combine it with words that convey search and discovery, like explore, investigate, or examine. Remember, dive deep conveys not just the act of looking into something, but also the dedication and thoroughness of the effort. Understanding the context in which dive deep is used is crucial. The phrase can be used in various situations, from academic research to personal development, and understanding the nuance in each context will help you apply it correctly. So, always pay attention to the conversation around the phrase to use it effectively. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, dive deep, and how it's used in the English language. Whether you're learning English for work, school, or personal growth, knowing phrases like this can help you express yourself more precisely and understand others better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice by diving deep into your English learning journey. See you in the next video.